So, ayun guys, yung overlooking natin dito.
We're going on a hike. I'll see you soon. Keep posting. Nag-i-eco siya. Don't forget to visit her guys if you want. Yeah. Kailangan mong bumaba para makita ko yung ano niya. Out ba? So don't forget here guys. Yan, para po. 1, 2. Basta tayo nag-look out daw doon. So lakad-lakad na naman tayo ulit. Kaibigan, look up mga. Punta na tayo ng windmill.
Windmill now. So we're going to the windmill. Go go guys!
Malamig.
Ayan, stay tuned.
Guys, girls, look over here. Where did you stay? One more time. Great.
Kakain daw muna kami guys, kaya hanapin namin yung pabilno guys. Pahinga muna kami dito at kakain. May mga baon-baon kami. Kaya kung pupunta kayo dito, magdala kayo ng pagkain kasi wala talaga kayong mabibilhan na pagkain. May kimchi kayo. Yan, kain na kayo. Subo-subo na. Subo-subo na. Oh, we're finished our lunch. So we're hike again guys. Stay tuned. Oh. So we have also amazing. Woo! So ayun guys, yung overlooking natin dito. Kaway-kaway sa mga ano dyan. Yun, hindi na kaya bukit na to. Dapat nakayuko ako para malinaw. Malinaw, di ba? Malinaw yung view pag nakakatong yung sombrero ko. Ano ba, mag-Tagalog, mag-Ilocano, pwede rin.
Adati kami kabanbantayan. Now we are in the mountain at Lama Island. 1, 2. Wait lang. 1, 2. So baba na naman tayo ulit guys. Tapos na ang photoshoot. Tired? Tired? Sige, sige.
Kaya ang panjo.
Silong Pancho.
Kaya ba ching din?
Dito na tayo, Dani. Ayun yung windmill. Oh, ang layo pa nun. Layo mo. Yung power yung nakita niyo. Kaya nga, yun o yun. Malamig yun. Tinanggal ko na yung mask. So, malapit na tayo guys. Mga memories lang yung nagawa namin ngayong araw na to.
All alive. The devil's in the detail, and good inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi.
Close dito banda.
Took my innocence. I can wait no longer.
Close kasi ano.
Everything that brought me
Yung sinasabi nung pinagbilhan natin.
So, yung beach guys, sarado ngayon. Bawal pala na dito.
They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi.
Malapit na yung lolo guys. Kaya natin napuntahan yung
Smoking gun. You got me on the road. Know that will come. We're out to dawn. But how can I hide it without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. Took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. Playing with the nonsense. Everything that brought me alive. Going around like nonsense. Playing with the nonsense. They brought me alive, but got no
bye-bye. Bye, Cha.
Ingat kayo sa biyahe ngayon.
Pa-video naman to. Eh, nag-video nga to. Pwede, alam nga naman, iikot ko muna.